You've set the goals, you've made the lists, you've even downloaded the planner, but deep down, you're starting to wonder, why doesn't any of it stick? If you're tired of setting intentions that never seem to turn into action, or worse, always get pushed to next week, you're not alone, and you're not failing. You just haven't been shown a way to build goals that actually work with your season, not against it. So if that sounds familiar, stay with me. Drop the word aligned in the comments if you're ready to ditch pressure-based planning and step into a more peaceful rhythm. Let's talk about something that most goal-setting advice skips over: the reality of your current load. You're managing a lot, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, and yet most productivity advice is built for people with endless time, energy, and focus. That's not the case for many of us, especially when you're juggling caregiving, recovery, or big life transitions. When you try to follow those standard goal-setting rules, it can feel like you're chasing someone else's version of success, and eventually that gap between what you set out to do and what actually gets done starts to chip away at your confidence. But here's the truth. The system didn't fail because you lacked discipline. It failed because it wasn't built for your reality. You're not looking for more noise. You're craving clarity, a kind of grounded clarity that accounts for both your responsibilities and your calling. That starts with acknowledging the season you're in and giving yourself permission to adjust how you move, not whether you're motivated enough. When I talk about rhythm-based goals, I'm not talking about ditching structure altogether. I'm talking about building from a place of inner alignment, not outer pressure. When your goals are rooted in your values and guided by peace, they're more likely to last. They're not just boxes to check off. They're markers of growth. This kind of goal setting allows room for grace. It honors the ebb and flow of your life while still creating forward motion. You don't need 15 habits and a perfect morning routine. You need 1 or 2 small shifts that fit your capacity and point you toward the life you're praying for. That's what starts to rebuild trust with yourself, when your follow-through matches your intention, not someone else's checklist. Inside the 7-Day Balanced Success Challenge, I walk through how to shape these rhythms day by day. But even outside the challenge, you can begin by asking, what matters most to me this week? And what do I actually have space for? When your planning begins with truth, not pressure, your progress becomes sustainable. A lot of us equate consistency with perfection, but that's a trap. Real consistency isn't about doing something the same way every day. It's about returning to your intention even after life pulls you off course. It's the ability to pause, reset, and begin again without self-blame. One way to build that kind of consistency is through what I call soft structure. It's the gentle framework that gives your day shape without making you feel boxed in. That might mean reviewing your intentions weekly instead of daily, or giving yourself permission to pivot when your energy changes. When you approach your goals like a rhythm, something living, breathing, and flexible, you stop viewing interruptions as failures. The best part? This doesn't have to be complicated. One small check-in each evening, one reflective question before you plan the next day. These micro shifts restore integrity between what you say matters and how you actually live. In the challenge, we offer a few of these quiet anchor points to experiment with, But today, I encourage you to ask, where do I need consistency with compassion? If you're still here, I want you to know you're not broken because traditional methods haven't worked for you. You just need a different rhythm, one that reflects your values, your pace, and your current reality. That's exactly what I guide you through in the 7-Day Balanced Success Challenge. It's a gentle experience that helps you rebuild your flow, one grounded step at a time. You'll find the link below, along with more videos and playlists that support your journey. And if today's message gave you even one breath of clarity, you're already moving in the right direction. You don't need a fresh start. You just need a faithful return. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.